In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of footage from the A119 Mini 2, 2560 by 1440 60 frames per second versus 2560 by 1080 60 frames per second. This was a request from the user Speeding Cheetah on the Dashcam Talk website. When you compare the vertical field of view, you'll notice that the image on the 2560 by 1080 is compressed just a little bit. So it's not a simple cropping of the image itself, there's actually a slight compression of the image in that footage.